Don't we all upgrade the home before selling it? Let's rethink about this and retime these upgrades. Hey everyone, I'm Sonal Shah. Let me share a real story which happened to me and gave me a deep insight. Everybody starts scrambling to renovate home right before we sell. So one of my clients did all the upgrades. Me and my stager advised them. And then they changed their mind to sell their home. They called me, Sonal, we are not going to sell the home. We have decided to live in the house. It was a huge shock. But that's when I started thinking, why do we wait to upgrade the home? We typically live in the house for 10 to 12 years. Usually around that time, our needs have changed. Our family size is looking different. Our kids have gone to the college. Maybe I need 2 offices after COVID, how the corporate have changed their policies. All this requires you to upgrade the home or you need to move. Seriously, let us break it down. Why this couple changed their mind of selling their home? They were selling the home because the reason was it was dated. They did not feel the home had any appeal left. Their children had grown and gone. Their neighbors, their good friends, were buying the new houses, which looked so much better. Once their home got total makeover, new paint cover, new quartz counter, new light fixtures, complete remodel of all the bathroom, removing the Jack and Jill. Guess what? It became now their dream home. And they did not want to move out because it looked like a model. Do I blame them? No. But then we all take a lesson from that. Why do we do complete makeover of the house before selling it? Why not do it while we are living inside the house? Does it not make sense? Every 7 to 10 year trend, design, color, the pop color, they say, everything changes and you can keep up with it. You can go visit new model houses in your area and start doing those makeover for your home. Stay in the current trend. It's like giving a big hug to your house by doing all this makeover. Make it convenient for you. And guess what? There is time to sell. You are way ahead of the game. You don't have to do anything at that time because you have been doing everything strategically every 7 to 10 years. It just sells faster and for more, period. So here is my advice. Let's get renovating as and when you want it. You deserve it and you will love living in your refreshed space. I've convinced so many of my friends of this and now they thank me. Hey Sonal, that was a great idea. We were holding up our renovation or upgrading or modernizing the home for nothing. It's not that troublesome. So guys, this is the tip. I want to share it with all the people who has had the houses for 7 to 10 years. Consult any realtor and stay ahead of the game.